Good morning student, this is your accountancy class. This is 12th accounts class. Topic is admission. Today we are going to illustration number 30 and 40. Both the illustration we will take. Illustration number 30. Illustration number 38. A, B are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. A और B दो पार्टनर हैं रेशियो 3:2 में. They admit C into partnership with 1/4 share in the profit. Who is coming? C for 1/4 share. The new profit sharing ratio 5:4:3. The new sharing ratio A, B, C 5, 4 and 3. C brings his business 50,000 for his capital. ये कैपिटल लेकर आया 50,000. He brings capital 50,000. He could not bring any amount for goodwill. वो goodwill नहीं लेकर आया. Does not bring goodwill. Does not bring. The firm's goodwill C's admission was valued 48,000. जब C admit हुआ तो फर्म की गुडविल थी 48,000. क्वेश्चन में कहीं नहीं बताया गया कि सी की गुडविल कितनी बनती थी और वो कितनी नहीं लेकर आया. सो वी विल कैलकुलेट ओन सेल्फ सीज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल. फर्म की गुडविल मल्टीप्लाई हिज शेयर इज 1/4. That is 12,000. Now first we will calculate sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal old minus new. Sacrificing ratio is old minus new. A is sacrifice. Old is 3/5. New is 5, 9 or 3, 12. 5/12. Take LCM, that is 60. 5 12s are 12 3s are 60. 12 5s are 5 5s are 25. 11/60. A sacrifices 11/60. B sacrifice. Old ratio is 2/5. minus 4/12. LCM will be 60. 5 12s are 60. 12 2s are 24. Minus 12 5s are 60. 5 4s are 20. So remaining will be 4/60. Their sacrificing ratio A is to B 11:4. 11:4. Now we will do journal. He bring his capital in cash. So first entry will be bank account debit to who is coming? C. So C's capital account. Bank account debit to C's capital account. The amount is given to you 50,000. The amount is given to you 50,000. Is it clear? Now the second will be, but he does not bring his share of goodwill. When new partner does not bring his share of goodwill, then entry will be new partner's current account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. So we will write C's current account debit to sacrificing partners. A and B both sacrificed in the ratio 11:4. To A's capital account to CB's capital account. The amount of premium for goodwill is, we calculated earlier, 12,000. Now the ratio is given 11:4. So 12,000 into 11 by 15. We will cut 3 5s are, 3 4s are, 5 8s are 40, 800. 800 into 11, 800. And 800 into 4, 3200 will be here. Is it clear now? Again we will do old partners in the ratio 3:2. New partner C is coming for 1/4 share. New profit sharing ratio among A, B, C is 5:4:3. So first we will calculate the sacrificing ratio that we calculated 11:4 among A and B. New partner bring his share of capital only, that is 50,000. For this we will make the entry bank account debit to C's capital account by 50,000. But he does not bring his any share of goodwill, but the firm's value of goodwill is 48,000. 48,000 firm's goodwill. When new partner does not bring any share of goodwill, then entry would be C's current account debit to A's capital to B's capital. The amount we calculated earlier, 12,000, that will be distributed among the old partners in their sacrificing ratio, that is 11:4. The amount will be 8,800 and 3,200. Is it clear now? Now we will do illustration number 40. Illustration number 40. X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio 5:3. X and Y are partner 5:3. 31st on March 1, 2017, they admit Z as a new partner. 1st March 2017, they admit Z as a new partner. The new profit sharing ratio will be 4:3:2. The new XYZ 4, 3 and 2. Z brought 1 lakh in cash as his share of capital. Capital is 1 lakh. But could not bring any amount for goodwill in cash. Premium does not bring